Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Swartz. Thanks a lot for the support, for stopping by, the contributions. The comments are amazing, which I will get to tomorrow. I've been trying to maintain the videos daily, of course, and I will have a lot more time to get back on the feedback, guys, in the comment section, as in January I should be doing this full time. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everyone. I hope you, well, the ones that have time off, I hope you're enjoying yourselves, and I hope you're being safe, not drinking at all while driving, of course, because holidays is when the accidents happen usually. Close-up footage, spectacular close-up footage of 3 nights, 25, 26, and the 27th of December, accumulated footage together. Some really nice zoomed-in close-ups on a clear night. We'll get the east side, the west side, and the north side of the outer limits, if you want, of the moon, to get you guys an idea of what it looks like close up. Some really spectacular close-ups near the end also, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Thanks for the support, everyone. A lot more coming up. And for those just arriving, thanks so much for taking the time to subscribe to the channel and to look into the research that I'm doing. Now listen up. UFOs on the surface of the moon. The UFOs, it's exclusive, what I'm showing, because it's actually pressed up in the atmosphere over top of the moon's surface. Not exactly sure of how many thousands of feet off the surface these objects are, but they're very close. And these have not been seen by anyone or shown publicly. So this is why I'm trying to share this work. Look in the videos, guys. I have so many findings. Those of you just arriving, I show color on the surface, and not just any color. We're not talking about chromatic aberration. We're talking about actual structuring and surface terrain that has the actual green color. Leaves us to wonder, could it possibly be vegetation? We're now viewing the east side of the moon. So the moon is turned to the left and we're facing 45-degree low angle view of the east side. I love showing the different sides and angles, and that's what we'll be doing. So now we're going to get into the close-up, slowed down, clear views of the surface. And I want you to notice, look here. Do you see along the edge the symmetrical features? Thousands of objects. Open your eyes, those not looking. I'm deadly serious. You're seeing, looks like it could be roads, buildings. Right here on the edge, right there, you could see all the symmetrical lines going straight down, and continue on along the outer limits here as you're going down. You see it, the detail when you slow it down. There are constructed objects by the thousands, guys, and we're seeing it again by the help of that day and night time terminator line. It's maddening that people aren't seeing the symmetrical lines. There's 4 or 5, sometimes 15 side by side. We'll zoom in real slow in this area right here, and you'll see at least 10, 15 straight objects that look like pipes, all connected in the air, floating over craters. It doesn't make any sense. You can see that it's clearly constructed objects. I've always said that the truth is always out there for everyone to see, but it always has to be mixed up with all these lies and other things around it, you know? So the truth has always been there for everyone. Anyone that wants to know any truth of any type whether it be aliens, whether it be, you know, anything that you want to know if it exists or not. Just, it's all there for you to see. You have to find the right person, trust the right person. And all I can say is that without manipulating anyone's beliefs or changing them, what I'm finding on the surface of the moon is definitely something that has never been really proven or shown to the public. I'm finding creatures that look like things that look like creatures and UFOs, intelligent life on the surface of the moon. And we're seeing that under a thick, dense atmosphere and structures and colors on the surface